This is a quick video to help you be able to watch Livescribe Smart Pen videos within the course that your instructor is using. The first thing you need to do is from any open Acrobat or Adobe Reader file, you need to click on Edit, go down to Preferences, and then in 3D and Multimedia, make sure that this Enable Playing of 3D Content button is checked. If that is not checked, check that button and then click OK. Now, if you are using Chrome, what you need to do within Chrome, the browser Chrome, the first setting you need to change in Chrome is to go up to these three little dots and click and go down to Settings, and then scroll down to where you see the word Advanced and click on that. Click on Site Settings and go down to PDF Documents and make sure this Download PDF Files instead of automatically opening them in Chrome is clicked on. If it's not on, it won't be blue. So click that on and then you can close out and you're ready to watch Livescribe videos within your instructor's course. If you are using Firefox, then what you need to do is go up to the top right corner and open the menu, go down to Options, and then scroll down from there to where it says choose how Firefox handles the files you download from the web or the applications you use while browsing. Click on Portable Document Format PDF and make sure that the choice Use Adobe Acrobat Reader has been chosen. Okay? And then close out and you're ready to use Firefox. So for this video we changed our setting in Adobe, and then we changed settings in both Chrome and Firefox so that either of those browsers will work. If you have any other questions about this, please contact your instructor.